Guys, I need your help. I'm gonna be starting up a fresh new online business and I would like you to be involved.
It's showtime!
Not only will you be able to easily participate by voting in the various polls that I put up on my YouTube channel regarding this project, but this will also be for a good cause because 100% of the profits we make from this business will be donated for mental health awareness. So in this video, I'm gonna explain to you my current exact plan, although you'll obviously be able to contribute to it as well.
Just do it!
Plus, if you're interested in starting your very own online business or social media presence, I also believe that this video should have plenty of tips that you can apply to your own ventures. Also, as a token of appreciation for supporting my channel and for mental health awareness, I'm going to be giving away to 3 lucky winners $10 US in PayPal money, and the details of this giveaway will be announced later on in this video.
Nice!
Before we start, be sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and also subscribe to my channel for more updates on this project. And with that, let's cue the intro. So first of all, the crux of the strategy is essentially we're going to be using social media and the power of the community, you guys, my subscribers and viewers, to essentially spread our posts throughout social media and gain traction and attention.
Gentlemen, I have a plan.
And the main platform I've chosen to start with is Instagram, although we could very well expand to different ones in the future such as TikTok, Twitter, as well as even YouTube. And the reason I've chosen to go with Instagram is because with the power of our community, we can quite easily make our posts go viral and thus get a lot of traffic and even make money off of it. And again, I'm going to be constantly putting up polls on my YouTube channels for you guys to be able to vote on this direction and to make it really the best that we can, and plus it's for a good cause as well.
Of course!
And as for how we can monetize this Instagram page, my plan is to first design a merch store, which I'll be actually doing in my next video, and perhaps also expand to different types of store as well, such as a dropshipping store. Anyhow, I will compile a bunch of my ideas into numerous polls that you guys can vote on, including what our merch design should look like, what other types of things we should perhaps sell, and also perhaps other types of monetization techniques as well. In addition to that, I'm also going to be sharing all of our progress and results in the form of episodes right on this channel because after all, this is a community project. Now, as for which charity we're going to be donating to, and by the way, 100% of our proceeds will be going towards them, or perhaps a very small percentage will be then used to in turn grow the business. But anyhow, the one I've actually decided on is called the National Alliance on Mental Illness, also known as NAMI. And the reason I chose this is not only because a lot of prominent YouTubers have already been donating to it, but also since many people have been coping with lockdowns around the world and thus mental health issues, and so I thought this would be one of the more appropriate causes to advocate. And now let's quickly dive into my computer to check out what I've actually already set up for our community online business. So first of all, what I'm showing you right here is one of my old meme pages which I've actually repurposed to turn into our new Instagram page. And the reason I've chosen to go with memes is that it's relatively easy for these posts to go viral because of their shareability. And so for example, if people find any of these posts funny and share with their friends and family, this will actually help the post with the Instagram algorithm and allow it to be pushed to even more people.
It'll be easy as 1, 2...
And by the way, these posts you currently see here are not necessarily representative of what I'm actually going to be posting moving forward onto this page. And I've also archived dozens of posts that I used to have on this old page before changing the name to Memes for Mental Health. So rest assured that I'm only going to be posting the most dank and fresh memes, which you will hopefully find enjoyable as well. And so be sure to follow this page because if you do so and enjoy my posts and share it with your friends and family, this will be how we actually as a community promote this page and this cause and actually raise money for mental health.
Ted, my boy, it's gonna be legend! Wait for it.
And do keep in mind that even though this is a meme page, I will still be trying to run this as a business in order to stay true to our mission of raising funds, as well as the theme of this YouTube channel. By the way, if you're interested in participating in a $10 US PayPal giveaway, be sure to stay tuned because the details of that will be coming up shortly. But first of all, I have to briefly explain how I'm going to be monetizing this website and the strategies revolving around it. So as I mentioned before, I'm actually going to be first starting up a merch store for this page with selling merchandise related to things like mental health and comedy and memes. And then perhaps in the future, I can expand to, or we rather can expand to selling things via dropshipping on a Shopify store, for example, and perhaps doing some affiliate marketing if appropriate. And I'm also going to be employing a lot of techniques to get more traffic, including advertising and shoutouts, so stay tuned for that on my channel for additional episodes and follow-ups.
Right.
Now, if you take a quick look at my Instagram bio, I actually have this Linktree link already set up, which is what I'm going to be directing people to via any call to actions in my stories or my posts. Basically, in my posts, for example, I'll say, check out the link in my bio in order to, donate or check out our merch or whatever it is I want to promote. So if I actually open up this link, well, this is what the link should be set up as. So if you look at the right here, this is what the link will open up as, and it currently has 2 links, although it should have 4 because I'm still currently setting up the other 2. And as for what types of links I plan to have on my Linktree page, the first link here is actually a link to one of my specific posts on my page, which I have yet to post onto my actual page, but I will do so right before this or right after this video goes live so that you guys can check it out. And this is actually the post in question. I've already done or designing it, and I just need to download it and then upload it onto Instagram, and I'll show you this in just a bit. But anyway, that's the first link, so people can actually click into it and learn our mission, and as well as what the page is about and how they can help. And then for my second link right here, this is actually a link sort of unrelated to mental health, but it's a link that opens up let me actually show you. This website is called the Hunger Site, and people can click on this link right here to donate food once per day. And I used to do this all the time in high school because one of my teachers actually told the students to do this. And as you can see, how this works is basically people click on the link and a bunch of ads show up, and thus monetizes the page, and then the money actually gets donated to those in need. And I thought this would be a great way to include, or this would be a great page and addition to include to my Linktree page, just as an additional thing that people can sort of contribute to completely for free. Now, as for what other links I plan to include on our Linktree page besides these 2, the third one will be our primary means of monetization, at least as of now, which will be our merch store, right? And my current plan is to design one using Teespring, as I have done for my YouTube channel. And so in my next video, I'm going to be going through the entire process of not only designing some of this merch, not only for t-shirts, but for things like stickers, mugs, and caps, and other types of merch in general. And besides that, I'll also be putting up a bunch of polls on my YouTube channel so you guys can vote on your favorite design, because this is a community project, I hope. And then lastly, I'll probably also host some kind of competition where you guys, if you're more artistic, or even if you're not, you can submit your designs to me, and I'll actually pick a couple of winners, and I'll definitely reward those winners.
Why make trillions when we could make billions?
Again, 100% of the profits that we earn from our merch store and other forms of monetization that we get to in the future will be donated to the National Alliance on Mental Health Illness. However, exceptions can be made in terms of we can actually vote for different types of charities that are relevant that we can also donate to, and perhaps if the community decides that it's okay, we can also spend a small portion of the money that we earn into actually growing the business as well. So definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel and also have notifications turned on so that you can not only join in but also stay informed and keep contributing to this project.
Of course!
And with that, the last thing I'm planning to include on our Linktree page, and by the way, the order will be as follows. The first link will be our mission, which will be linked to this post, which I'll actually show you in just a bit. And then our second link will be our merch store. The third link will be this link I'm going to show you right now. And the last link will be the 1 click per day food donation link. But anyhow, this next link will actually be a donation page directly on the NAMI website, which is for people to directly donate to NAMI if they so desire. Next up, as I've briefly described before, this post right here, which I designed on canva.com, will be a very important post on our page because it'll be used as part of our funnel, so to speak, where first of all, this post actually describes what our cause actually is. So how we're going to advocate for mental health, and the fact that we're going to donate all our proceeds to mental health charities, namely NAMI. And then it also has a Q&A section, where people where we actually explain how we generate revenue, as well as how we can contribute to mental health awareness, as well as finally here how other people can help out, or how the audience and viewers and readers, I suppose, can help out this page by as it says here, sharing our posts and liking them, and just helping them. By doing that, they'll actually help our posts reach more people and thus have a higher chance of getting people to purchase our merch and donate to NAMI. And finally, for the last page of our post, we have a call to action which tells people to not only follow the page but also turn on notifications with instructions, so that whenever we post, they're actually Instagram will actually prioritize them seeing our posts, and then if they actually like and comment on our posts as early as they can when we post it, this will actually be greatly beneficial for our account and our posts with the Instagram algorithm, and thus help our posts. Perhaps they're gonna get on the discover page and reach more people, and thus have a very high or higher chance of getting money through our merch sales as well as donations through NAMI and so on and so forth. And that also ties nicely back to how I hope you guys, the community, can help contribute to this page and cause, which is to simply just follow the page and turn on notifications. And then whenever I post, go and comment and like, and then share the post with your friends, especially if you enjoy the posts and the memes, which will really help us get on the Instagram Discover page and get favored by the algorithm.
What do you say, guys? You can just hang outside in the sun all day tossing a ball around, or you can sit at your computer and do something that matters.
And what's more is that each of the posts I make onto this page will actually be 2-page posts, with page 1 being the meme itself, and then page 2 being a similar call to action to this final page we have here. And I've actually already finished it, which is right here. And this actually tells people to go and click on the link on our bio to then be redirected or be directed via our Linktree page to this About Us post here and how people can help post, where they'll learn about the page and how they can contribute. And then on here, it also tells people to turn on notifications, follow, and all that jazz, basically, with this page acting as a sort of call to action, and then you sharing the posts as well as people or our posts getting free exposure on Instagram being the funnel. And this will actually be a very organic, I suppose, way to promote our posts, promote our cause, and get people to actually sign on, purchase our merch, donate to NAMI, and so on. By the way, if you want to learn more about doing any of this stuff, say for example, if you want to create your own Instagram page and monetize it, or different type of social media presence, definitely just comment down below with your questions and I'll do my best to answer you.
You got it, Jobin. So what?
And finally, onto our giveaway details, which also happens to be an incentive for helping out our new Instagram meme page. Here, as you can see, I have this giveaway page set up on my website. And again, with 3 people being able to win this time, the odds are actually quite a bit higher than usual. And as for how to actually enter, there are 3 different tasks that you can complete, with each task getting you an additional entry or chance within the giveaway, and thus giving you a higher chance of actually winning.
Look what I found in my pocket! Look!
And as for what the tasks actually are, they're very simple. The first one is to just like the picture and share it with a friend, and the picture in question will be this very one that we designed on that I designed on Canva, right? Which I will have ready on our page by the time this video goes live. And all of this will be linked in the description as well, including this page as well as the giveaway page, so you'll be able to find it in the description of this video. And now, as for the second task, this is to visit the Means for Mental Health page on Instagram and follow it and turn on notifications. Again, the instructions can be found on this very post right here. So to actually turn on notifications, you actually need to head to the top right here and click find the sort of bell icon, and then at the bottom you want to turn on the notifications right there.
Do it!
And as for the final task, which will earn you yet one more chance in the giveaway, and by the way, you do have to complete the first 2 in order to unlock it. And again, the first 2 are to go to the page or the post on our Instagram page to like this and share it with your friend or even more friends, because that helps. And then the next task is to follow the page as well as turn on notifications. And finally, the third task, after you've done the first 2 and you unlock it, is to simply, this will actually lead you to my YouTube channel, and then you can subscribe, where you can actually subscribe and turn on notifications on my channel so that you can actually receive updates on this project, as well as be able to participate in some of the polls that are coming up. And that is all I have for you for this project for now. But I am extremely excited for what the future holds and for what we as a community can do to help mental health awareness. Remember to follow our new Instagram page so that whenever I post, you can help it reach more people, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for additional updates on this project, as well as other videos on cutting edge digital entrepreneurship, just like this one. And with that, thank you so much for watching and contributing, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.